Hello, and welcome to our exploration of the city-to-city trip functionality. We'll start by logging in, and then move on to booking a city-to-city trip. Click on the Book button. Here, you will see our pickup location as well as our destination. You also have the option to use your current location. Now, let's discuss city-to-city pricing creation. It's important to understand the configurations needed when creating a city-to-city trip in the user panel. We must ensure that the countries are consistent, meaning we add cities from the same country to be able to create our city-to-city trip. For example, if you're planning a journey from Colombia to Kansas, you need to specify Colombia as your initial pickup location. Additionally, you should provide the option to add a destination city through the admin panel. Once a city is added, it must be selected as the mandatory destination city before you can proceed to set the price. After configuring the price, you can view the fixed pricing for this specific route on the website. City-to-city trips with a fixed price provide several benefits. This service allows passengers to travel from one city to another at a predetermined price, rather than a variable price based on time and distance. The advantages include predictable pricing for budget planning, suitability for long-distance travel, simplification of the booking process, and adherence to environmental regulations. To get started, we first need to input our pickup address as well as our destination address. We have predefined our pickup address, and we can also define our destination. Here, you can verify the destination address and the option to add a store if necessary. In summary, when setting up a city-to-city trip, it's essential to apply the correct destination address to ensure a smooth and efficient booking experience. We are selecting the type, and here we can see the estimation for the ride, as well as our nearest driver coming close to our location. Take a look at our fare estimation. We have a fixed rate of 100. Additionally, there's the city trip option, and as you can notice, we include charges based on the base fare, distance fare, and the time fare, along with the cancellation fee and tax. You can also see the pickup address and the destination address. The distance and the travel time from our pickup location to our destination city are displayed here. Our fixed rate pricing is applied for intercity trips, which you can see here. You have the option to choose different types of trips, like rental, ride-sharing, and open. We are going for a Now trip, and next you will see the payment gateway options. First is cash, then credit debit card, and you can also use your wallet balance. If you need to add a card, you can do that here. Moreover, if you wish to negotiate with the driver, we provide a bidding option. You can also view available offers and apply any promo codes from here. If you have a specific promo code, it can be applied manually. We offer two additional options: ride-sharing and scheduling for a later time. For now, we're going for an immediate ride. Here you can see the fixed rate availability. If you choose the fixed rate, the city-to-city price will apply. However, if you opt for a fare calculated by distance and time, the fixed rate for the city cannot be applied. So, we are selecting the fixed rate. Once our trip is successfully created, we wait for a driver's response. If a driver is available and accepts our trip, we can see all the driver's details. Here, you can notice the driver has accepted. We can view the driver's name, driver details here, and the driver's phone number. Additionally, you can observe the driver's ratings and have the option to initiate a chat with the driver. The vehicle type and name are displayed here, as well as the license plate number. The pickup location, along with the destination address, are both city addresses that you can review here. You'll also find the fixed price and the service type detailed here. Regarding payment details, such as cash or card, if you need to modify your payment method, you have the option to change the payment mode here. The status of our trip is also available here. It displays when the trip was created and when the driver accepted it. After the driver has accepted the trip, we wait for the driver to arrive at our location. Once the driver reaches our location, we can start our trip, and you will see that the trip has begun. Once our trip starts, it cannot be canceled. However, you have the option to split your payment with friends. Should you choose to share the costs, it is possible to do so using the split payment feature. Upon the completion of our trip, details become available. By clicking the Invoice button, you can view all the information related to our trip, such as ride charges, applicable taxes, and any other fees. You can also see the method of customer payment, whether it's via wallet, cash, or card. Next, the status of our trip can be tracked. You can see when the trip was created, when it was accepted, when the driver is on their way, and when they arrive at the pickup location. Additionally, you can monitor when we started our journey and when it was completed, as well as other details regarding the trip status. Further details about the trip include information about the driver. Here, we provide the driver's name and phone number. You can also see the pickup location, the destination, and our pricing, which includes all taxes. You can also confirm the service type chosen for the trip and view the comprehensive route from start to finish, ensuring you have all the information you need for your city-to-city journey. After your experience, you have the option to leave feedback. By clicking the Submit Invoice button, you can rate your driver. Then, if desired, you can leave a tip. Finally, you may add comments and submit them to provide a review of both the driver and your overall trip, thereby concluding the service. And you can see that our trip is completed, which was a city-to-city, fixed-rate trip. We hope you understand how the flow works for our city-to-city trips. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your time. Thank you.